An affordable smartphone with a 4nm modern MediaTek chipset. It also has a dedicated gaming display chip, clean and pure OS, a bezel-less 144Hz Full HD Plus AMOLED display, and 45-watt fast charging for a 5000 mAh battery. If you say gaming phone and those specs, you'd expect to pay a high price for it. But the Infinix GT 20 Pro promises to deliver that and more for a very affordable price. Thanks to Infinix for sending us this review device of the Infinix GT 20 Pro. We're here to do an early unboxing and series of videos about this device. I'm going to go through the unboxing today, and we'll follow this up with a series of videos about its performance in gaming, as well as its setup, as well as its camera tests, and more gaming and how-to videos. So make sure you're subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And if you don't already, please do have that notification bell turned on so that you get notified when we publish more videos about the Infinix GT 20 Pro, as well as about all the other content we cover about smartphones, gadgets, accessories, and things we think make the travel experience better. So, here's the GT 20 Pro device. The specs are on the box, but we'll go through those in a bit more detail after we've finished the actual unboxing. I'm just going to take the cellophane off the packaging first, and then we'll find out how we actually unbox this, because the box looks actually quite interesting. Well, there's a lip here, and there's a few tabs. As you can see from its specifications on the box, it says that it has up to 24 gigabytes of RAM. As usual, I'm struggling with packaging here. Shall I brute force it? Yes, I will. There we go. Oh wow, that's impressive. So as you open the box, let's do that again. As you open the box, it opens up to use their tagline, outplay the rest. Grand Gaming Tour. That's really nice. And then it says, welcome to the GT world. So this is really cool packaging for a smartphone. It really plays into their gaming credentials. We've done a lot of unboxings here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. This is by far the most impressive as far as packaging goes. Oh wow, again, Grand Gaming Tour, outplay the rest, Infinix GT. This is a really cool packaging. There's something in here, we'll have a look at it in a moment. We have, oh wow, so this is wrapped in a foil finish. This is the actual smartphone, you can see it peeking out from the top, I'll put it away. GT 20 Pro Dimensity 8200 Ultimate and 4nm 5G processor. It has a few specs, a few details on it, but this is really impressive first impressions. And let's see what else is in the box. So this is a European version of the device. It's obviously a European charger, and this is a 45-watt charger. For a 5000 mAh, that's really impressive because you'll be able to fast charge or charge whilst you're playing demanding games. And then there's a separate little cardboard holder for, in this case, a power cable, and this is a USB Type-C set of earphones. Very welcome to see. So this is not earplug earphones, but decent earphones. We'll have to put them through their paces later on during the setup process. And there's even buttons for accepting calls and adjusting volume. So nice little accessory. You don't get many smartphones nowadays with earphones in the box. And let's have a look at the power cable. This is always of interest to me. So it's USB Type A to USB Type-C, but it's not any USB Type-C. As well as the Infinix branding, you can just make out there embossed in the thing. It's a 90-degree cable. So we've already reviewed quite a few cables with 90-degree charging for smartphones. It's really handy for when you're gaming or watching video or doing streaming to not have that power cable sticking out at the bottom and being quite annoying. Frankly, I quite enjoy these, and of the many cables we've unboxed and reviewed here at the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, my 90-degree cable is probably the most used one whilst watching video, either on my phones or tablets. So really good of Infinix to include that 90-degree cable. Okay, so we've looked at the contents of the box, the charger. There's also an extra thing in here. Let's see what's in this. Now we open it up. Oh wow, there's a case for the phone. Always good to see. Always keep a case on your phone. This looks as if it's installation instructions for a screen protector. Amazing. I'm really into this. They're covering all the bases. This feels like a glass screen protector and an Infinix GT 20 Pro case. This is really impressive. We'll need to put this on after we've set up the phone, and I'll give you a full tour of the case. We're big fans of smartphone cases, but a little teaser here. There's this little, just over a semicircle at the back, and we'll see later on what this is all about. So essentially you've got everything you need to get set up here. You have a charger, something that, for example, my iPhone and Google Pixel devices don't ship anymore. You have a power cable, you have a set of earphones, you have a screen protector and a case, all in the box. So well done, Infinix. I'm really impressed by this. Let's just tidy away the stuff that's here, and let's focus on the GT 20 Pro that's in the box. Now, this is a device which is rumoured to be priced at around about £250 sterling. I wouldn't be surprised if it were more expensive, but that's the rumoured price. Infinix have not told me what the launch price is, so check back on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel at a later date if you want an update on what the actual launch pricing is. But at the moment, we're in the dark. And just by what's in the package, you seem to be getting a lot of value here. So I'm going to slide out the phone from that little foil packaging and take the sticker on the back off and show you the back of the phone. This is really impressive. So this is unapologetically polycarbonate or plastic. It is a plastic shell, it is a plastic back, and it has a tempered glass screen. The device is incredibly light, which is exactly what you want in a gaming phone. You don't want to have a heavy device which is just heavy for the sake of being that. You want something that's relatively light, and by being made out of plastic, it also aids with heat dissipation in many situations. But I'm getting ahead of myself. This is the GT 20 Pro from Infinix. It looks really impressive. Let's just have a quick sneak peek by long pressing the power button at how that Infinix AMOLED display with 144 Hz refresh rate looks. Now you've got Infinix logo and powered by Android. It's a bit difficult to say on camera here with my reflection on it, but the contrast ratio, the difference between black and white, is really noticeable. And now we're in the settings, so you can see that it is a nice, almost bezel-less, but pretty much very small bezeled display with a dotch, a cutout at the top in the middle there, for a selfie camera. Now we'll go through the full camera setup and performance in a separate video, but the MediaTek Dimensity chipset makes this device capable of recording 4K video as well as taking high resolution pictures. But I'll put this away for now. This is just a quick introduction and unboxing of the Infinix GT 20 Pro, and we'll be back soon with the setup video. So thanks for watching if you made it this far. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, mobile devices, and anything we think makes the travel experience better. And when traveling, if you want to have a bit of gaming, what better to do that than a dedicated gaming smartphone? Anyway, for any questions you have, if you want them answered in the upcoming videos, or if you want us to make a dedicated video about it, leave us a comment in the section below and we'll get back to you with our answers. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.